Welcome back to Freshly Charged, where I have a product that should make my life a lot easier. As you can see, I have dogs that bring in all sorts of dirt, grime, leave patches of hair on the ground. My 14-month-old son loves to throw food on the ground. And one big challenge is robot vacuums typically don't do a good job in my house due to all the furniture with the weird legs, tight corners, and different surfaces like area rugs. And tedious tasks are becoming pretty painful. There's not enough time in every day to keep my house clean. Cue the MOVA P50 Ultra. This is an autonomous robot vacuum system that also will mop, but it's got some really unique features, and we'll unbox it to show you what it's all about. Mopping pads, some multi-surface floor cleaner, quick start guide, some instructions, and then the vacuum. And this should be the base. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Look at this thing. Really clean finish. Probably the coolest looking base that I've ever seen. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing set up, but luckily with this quick start guide, it's really easy. The first step is finding a power outlet I want it to be by. This looks like a good spot. As you can see, it's really nice that you have this extra cord storage, so you can tighten it up against the wall without any cord sticking out. So right here, we have an auto bag collector. And right here, we have the tank for the cleaning solution. And up top, we have clean water tank and a dirty water tank. So we'll go ahead and get that thing filled up shortly. Step 2 is install the ramp extension plate. Pops right into place. Install the mop pads, super easy. They're actually magnetized on there. So that was easy. All right, I've got the app downloaded. And now we're gonna go ahead and scan this. So this is interesting. We want AI-driven mop extend. So the mopping task will automatically extend the mop into the edges. We definitely want that. The AI-driven side reach. This should be able to get all the 90-degree corners, so that's pretty cool. We have pets in the home. Yep, we do. And here we go. And right now it's just mapping. So for it to get a better image of the mapping, it turns on its light when it's kind of dark in the area. See that ledge right there? It's able to get over it and no problem at all. It's currently mapping all the areas in my house that I wanted to sweep and mop. I'm gonna let it finish its mapping job, get freshly charged, and then we'll go ahead and test it out. All right, I've got it all set up. Time for its maiden voyage. Hey MOVA.
I'm here.
Start cleaning. And I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but essentially what it's doing is it's running it through its cleaning process, cleaning the pads. You see dirty water spitting out here and clean water being sucked from the clean tank. Oh, there it goes. One thing about this is it's really quiet compared to all the other robot vacuums I've used in the past. And this is a challenging area for a lot of robot vacuums. They tend to bump into the chair legs quite a bit to figure it out, but look how neat that is it didn't even touch any of those chair legs at all. You can see it doesn't touch the chair legs, that arm comes out, but really crazy, look at that. Never touched any one of those edges. So the mop pads are not running currently. You can see they're elevated, and now it's just vacuuming the rug. Pretty smart AI technology. So after thorough testing of the MOVA P50 Ultra, I can now let you know what I love about it, what could be improved, and who should actually buy it. So for me, it was super simple to get it set up. I followed those step-by-step instructions. It was able to map out my rooms in just 2 minutes, and that was super fast. In the past, it's always had to go through the whole house, vacuum things, and pretty painful if it didn't map it out correctly because you'd have to redo that process. Initially, I just had it cleaning my dining room / kitchen along with my living room. Those are the 2 messiest parts of my house. However, when I left the doors open sometimes, it would actually go to map out that area. So it was always continuously learning and trying to improve on the mapping system. Second thing I love about it is the powerful suction power. It's got 19,000 pascals of suction power, which is pretty strong for a robot vacuum. And then the best part is you can adjust the 4 settings on it for the different types of suction levels and noise levels that you want to deal with. If you don't want to listen to a loud vacuuming, you can turn it down to quiet mode. But if you really want to get it nice and clean, you can turn it on an ultra strong suction power, which is a little bit loud, but it cleans the air very nice. The other thing I love about it is the smart technology technology of the mopping system. It's able to lift up the mop pad so it doesn't touch the rugs. My son is always throwing food on the ground that's really sticky. My dogs are always bringing in weird stuff. So the fact that it can mop and vacuum at the same time, but also avoid the rugs with the mop pads is a huge plus. You can turn on different types of settings. So you can either have it vacuum first and then mop, or you can have it vacuum and mop at the same time. When you have the vacuum and mopping setting at the same time, essentially what it does is it vacuums as it goes past it, and then the mopping will follow along. However, when it runs into my rugs, it will lift up the padding and avoid those areas and keep it nice and dry. The other really cool thing about the mopping function is it is a self-sanitary system. It will actually sanitize the mopping pads with 167 degrees Fahrenheit water or 75 degrees Celsius hot water. So right after it cleans those mopping pads, it actually hits it with 113 degrees of hot air to dry them out.
Mop pads removed.
A neat feature about the vacuum is it can automatically detach the mop pads and only vacuum. This is perfect for when you have high pile carpet and you're worried about getting it wet. Let's see if they're still purple. So here's the mopping pads. It'll dry it right here and also clean them, but look at that. Not purple at all anymore. Another great feature, it has FlexReach technology, so it can actually reach out and hit those 90-degree angles, whether it be from the swing arm that actually brings in dirt to the center, or the mopping pad that will actually extend out to reach those edges. In the past, a lot of my robot vacuums have never done a great job on the edges. This does an excellent job. It also has an RGB front-facing camera which can detect what type of spills are in front of it. So if it needs to run over it again because it's a super dirty spill like a juice stain, it can detect it and make sure it goes over it numerous times. And then there's a lot of automation with it. You can actually hook it up to your Alexa app and tell it to turn on. You can hook it up to your Apple Watch and set it up from there. And you can also just speak to it. That was one of the coolest things. I can say, hey MOVA, start cleaning, and it'll start moving. When I'm really close to it, I can actually tell it to follow me to clean up a stain. So it will detect me and follow me to where the stain is at. So really cool technology that I've never seen on a robot vacuum. And speaking about that camera in the front, you can also use it for first-person view. You can use it and navigate it with your phone, where you can use it as a game where you're stationary and move it around to clean up certain areas of the house. Pretty fun stuff. The great thing about it is the app is very easy to use and has tons of settings. So I can adjust the charge time to charge at nighttime where it's off peak hours and it's not costing me as much money to charge it. I can adjust the height of the mop pad to raise when it's going over certain areas. So many things that you can adjust on the app that I'd really be spending almost 20 minutes talking about every single feature that it does. So very cool and very easy to use. Let's talk about what things could be improved. So when adding a rug to the map, it's based off of meters. So I measured my rug, it was 8 by 10 feet. I converted that into meters, and even though I had the correct measurements on there, I still had to adjust things. The vacuum was coming up to the edges of the rugs and not quite mopping all the way up to it. So you have to tinker with that a little bit, and I wish that was just a little bit easier, or the AI would pick up on it and automatically adjust it for you. So that's one thing that I feel like they could improve on, and that might just come up with an update in the future. I've been having a little bit of an ant issue, and it's due to my son throwing food in random areas. So I've set up these ant traps, and sometimes the vacuum will go to suck it up because it's just such a low profile item. That was the only time I ever had issues where I had to return the unit back to its base. Besides those two things, those are the only issues that I've ever ran into with the P50 Ultra. I love the system because a lot of times in the past, robot vacuums have been lackluster. I've ended up returning most of them because they just don't work very good. This one does a great job at cleaning, and I'm very happy with it. So who should buy this unit? I love it because I work a full-time job. I have Airbnb investments for short-term rentals that I have to take care of. I have also the channel I need to take care of, and time is not my friend. So the fact that I can do 2 chores with this machine, sweeping and mopping, and it does a fairly great job at it, I'm loving it. The other person who'd really benefit from it is a neat freak, someone who doesn't really want to deal with dirt and grime in their house all the time. You can run this twice a day, 3 times a day. It's so quiet that you can go on your daily business around it. In the past, with all my other robot vacuums, they've been really loud, and I haven't been able to do other things like talking on the phone, have a conversation with my wife. We have to go to the other room. So the fact that it's nice and quiet, it's perfect for people who need to multitask and don't need to leave the room. The P50 Pro Ultra is now available for pre-sale. Secure your spot using the links in the description and lock in the early bird price for when it becomes available. You can check out our full written review at freshlycharged.com, and make sure that when you run your robot vacuum, pick up the stuff that's going to get tangled up in it.